Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the SmartWOD Timer workout clock app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. SmartWOD Timer is a workout clock app designed for athletes, CrossFit users, and anyone who needs accurate timing tools during training. The app includes multiple timer modes such as AMRAP, EMOM, TABATA, 4-time, and custom intervals, allowing users to match their timer exactly to the workout style they're following. It's available on both iOS and Android and focuses on simplicity, clear visuals, and loud, easy-to-follow alerts. The app's main feature is its quick select workout timers. You choose the workout type, set your intervals or rounds, and start training immediately. Large on-screen numbers, customizable sounds, rest timers, and optional vibration cues help users stay focused without constantly checking their phone. SmartWOD also logs past workouts so users can revisit their training history whenever they need. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, accurate timing, and minimal setup. Fitness enthusiasts like that the app works offline, has no unnecessary distractions, and supports nearly every common workout timer format. The sound cues and visual clarity make it easy to use during intense workouts. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced customization options, such as more complex interval structures or personalized sound packs, may require premium access. A few users also report occasional glitches with background mode or Bluetooth audio delays. The app is mainly focused on timers only, so it doesn't include detailed workout plans or tracking features found in broader fitness apps. In summary, the SmartWOD Timer app may be worth using if you want a clean, reliable, and versatile workout timer for daily training. However, if you're looking for coaching features, advanced analytics, or fully personalized workout programs, it might not offer everything you need. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.